Okay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the famed Dr. Lalit Varma. He is the teacher of generations of retina surgeons. He is the Pele of Indian retina. He has inspired generations of teachers in retina, and he is the most creative mind in Indian retinal practice. There is no post in Indian ophthalmology that he has not held. After completing his training from the Premier Institute, RP Center, being a teacher there, he left and joined practice. And while doing that, he's held every single post in DOS, in AIOS, and in multiple societies. A famed international retina surgeon, Dr. Lalit Varma.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. It's my proud privilege and really an honor to be part of this online release of this very popular series, 4th edition of ebook, Tips on Retina Practice for General Ophthalmologists. Tips written by Dr. Sanjay Ahuja and edited and compiled by none else than Jaginder Bali. So I take this as an honor and great opportunity for everybody, in fact, that I release this book just next to the Christmas day, and congratulations to the authors and the editors.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
That I have known Sanjay for so many years, very, very dear colleague, and he practices along with his wife. Also, both of them, have been alumnus and colleagues at RP Center. Must say that Sanjay has a very, very practical knowledge of his subject, and I'm very delighted to be part of this release function. And I myself, go through this university tips which are released on every Wednesday and Saturday. And yesterday I was seeing, undiagnosed macular edema in a young adult, Sanjay. That was, I think, 226 number or so yesterday.
Yes, sir.
You see, this book on tips is actually very useful, very, very useful. I find it very useful because I myself go through it virtually every time. And not only for general ophthalmologists, I would say, but for all practicing ophthalmologists, all residents, and also for retinologists as a useful tip to start the day. You see, it's very easy to, write books and articles, but for writing tips, you have to have precise knowledge, because each and every word in that tip is very, very important. You see, the whole world is watching. Since it is an e-book, whole world is watching. So you have to be very sure of each word which Sanjay writes, and that is what is the beauty of writing tips. You see, writing an article, you write stories and, you write summaries of various things. But tips is the most difficult. You have to summarize that tip in a very, very few words, what Sanjay does beautifully. I remember a lot of tips, actually. I remember one tip which was, I don't remember the number, but OCT, layer by layer, he described which diseases preferentially affect which. You see, we have 10 layers of retina. Then I remember he writing RP, Bruce Lerner complex, ARMD, and IPCV. then the retinal fiber layer, ganglion cells, sphingolipidosis. So that was one of the most useful tip I remember. Another very useful tip I remember, and which comes to my memory, is that of you see a fundus autofluorescence. That again is a very ill understood subject, but very practical tip. I think he had written that also is very useful. But believe me, all these tips are very useful. And Sanjay and Jinder Bali also has been a very good friend, and he has been doing pioneering work. And presently, he is editor of Religion of Ophthalmology. And we at AIS also, you see, and DS have been taking his help from time to time, because he is one of the rare breeds in ophthalmology where he has a lot of knowledge of, you see, IT also. So I remember him being appointed as chairman of one of the subcommittees of DOS, and even in AIS, we took his help. And he is, I think, a WHO fellow on retinal disease also. So congratulations both to you, Sanjay, as well as
Thank you, sir.
Bali,
Thank you.
for doing this fantastic job. And I recommend that every ophthalmologist should, once a while keep revising this. It will help them sharpening their, skills. And also you start your day in a very good, you see, knowledge, one tip you have gained. And you see, I am sure that this, I'm really very happy and really
indebted,
proud
sir.
to be part of this function. So thanks once again for having me here. Thank you.
So
Thank
now
you,
I
sir.
call
Highly
upon Dr.
indebted.
Sanjay Ahuja to raise the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. I'm really highly indebted. Really, I heartily thank you, sir, for accepting the invitation and giving such a beautiful talk, sir. You have praised me so much, given me so much stimulus. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
This is Sanjay, came from my heart. I didn't,
Sir, thank you. Really great, sir. Thank you. There can be no better
Thanks a
words than
lot.
this, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir.
So
Thank you.
Bali, you're doing a great job. I am sure that
Thank you so much.
you will take DOS to further
Thank you, sir.
great
You are the
heights.
inspiration, sir. I still remember you had your hand in the
Always.
car. You have to do this.
You have to. Chal. Thank
Thank
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
see
you, sir.
see you sometimes again.
And
Thank
so
you,
this,
sir.
the
Thank you.
one more important thing that this book has
Yeah.
is it can be read in liquid mode also.
Okay. Good.
Right, sir? Bye-bye, sir.
Chal. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
And
again.
Thank you so
I
much,
must
sir.
say Bali has written a couple of books. I remember, you see, one of the best read and best selling, this is, I think, biostatistics he had written for basics for biostatistics. And also another book for DME and ocular angiogenesis he had written. I remember that also. So congratulations.
So now
Bali,
that
for
book on biostatistics is being used by allied medical sciences. Sir, it was actually written for ophthalmologists and for doctors. Now,
Yeah,
allied
because
medical
doctors
sciences
and
universities have
ophthalmologists,
made it standard reference text, sir.
I know, because the thing is, the ophthalmologists and especially doctors lack a lot of knowledge of this biostatistics. You see, they may be doing a wonderful job, but this book gives them a comprehensive knowledge on biostatistics. So hats off to you, Bali. Okay, Sanjay.
Thank you so much, sir. So you're
Bye-bye.
always an
Bye-bye, sir.
inspiration, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, nice to
Thank
see you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Right,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye. Bye.